3-bean chilli. You will need 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 garlic cloves, 1 onion, 1 pepper, 1 400g can of chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 2 400g cans of mixed beans, 1 200g can of sweet corn, 1 heaped teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried herbs, 1 stock cube. Peel and chop the garlic. Cut the ends off the onion and peel. Cut in half and then dice. Cut the pepper into thirds. Pull apart and remove the seeds. Slice into strips and then dice. Heat the oil in the pan. Heat the garlic and onion over a medium heat. Add the paprika, add the peppers, add the chili flakes, crumble in the stock cube and add the chopped tomatoes. Stir everything together. Drain and rinse the beans and add to the pan. Drain and rinse the sweet corn and add to the pan. Add the baked beans with their sauce. Stir and bring to the boil. Add the tomato puree. Season with salt to your taste. Simmer uncovered for 15 minutes, then add a lid and simmer for another 15 minutes until reduced, or leave in a slow cooker on a medium heat. Serve with rice or jacket potatoes and grated cheese.